Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm recording this video with my new camera, the Insta360 1X2, and I'm back to the 360 universe. I was a previous owner of the version 1. I didn't like it very much. I thought that there were some lags on that version. I sold that one, then I decided to buy the Osmo Action. Biggest mistake I ever made, because the Osmo Action, it's impossible to connect an external mic for motovlogging. That's basically the main reason I sold that one. And then I decided to buy another 360, this time the 1X2, and it has some improvements over the previous model, which basically it's waterproof, which means I will be able to record when it's raining. For that I'm also trying this external audio recording at the moment, because it helps me a lot, especially on my helmets like this one, where I don't have any GoPro mounts, so which means I can use any helmet that I like and still be able to record. Again, it has a screen on the front, which is very useful for me to see what I am recording, and at this moment I'm using a jaw clamp with a flexible arm, because it is flexible, it's shaking a little bit, and I do want to test the stability of the 360 camera. I'm using this one on purpose. I have more solid clamps, but this one is on purpose, so to see how the stability works. What the 360 camera allows me to do, it's very simple. It basically allows me to show you me, like at this moment you can see the clothes I'm wearing, you can see me ride on a motorcycle. I can turn the camera around 180 degrees and you can see the road ahead. I can even turn a little bit again and show you the tank and the handlebars a little bit more in detail. And if I place it on another angles, like you're gonna watch here in the images, I can give you some other interesting points of views that traditional camera does not allow me to give you. And this is basically simply to give more dynamics to my videos. It's an investment. I hope it pays off. I'm trying it. I know that the editing process will be a little bit more complicated, but if I get used to it, I'll stick with it. If not, I'll sell it again. That's not a big deal. So having said this, guys, don't forget my partnership with CarTrack, where there is a link down in the description. It only works in Portugal, but if you know anyone in my country, please let them know. It's a GPS tracker for your motorcycles. If you have a motorcycle stolen, they have a service 24/7 that will help you find your motorcycle. My partnership will give you the first month free. Having said this, guys, please don't forget, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell so you receive my future videos, and I really hope I can see you in the next one. Bye!